In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp templates, a powerful feature that can streamline your workflow and help you manage your tasks efficiently. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, understanding how to use templates can save you valuable time. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the ClickUp website. Open up your favorite web browser and enter the ClickUp URL. If this is your first time visiting the site, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page. Once the site has loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be presented with several login options. For simplicity, we're going to choose Continue with Google. This option will streamline the login process, but you'll need to have a Google account to use it. Click the button and then select your appropriate Google account from the list provided. Doing so will take you directly to your ClickUp dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, find your way over to your workspace. On the left-hand panel, you'll see options for navigating through your ClickUp environment. Click on your workspace link to access all the projects and tasks you've got going on. This area is where you can manage most of your key activities. Next up, we want to add a template. Look for the plus icon within your workspace and click it. This icon is the gateway to expanding your workspace functionality. Once you've clicked it, you'll see an option labeled Templates. Selecting this will bring up ClickUp's template gallery. In the template section, you have a wide variety of templates to choose from. You can browse through the list, or if you already have something specific in mind, use the search bar to find the exact template you need quickly. This feature is really handy if you're on a tight schedule. Once you find the template that suits your needs, simply click on it. This will give you a brief preview of what the template entails. To start using it, look for the button that says Use Template. Clicking this button will import the template into your workspace instantly, populating it with predefined tasks and structures that you can then modify to fit your specific project needs. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through ClickUp to add a functional template to your workspace, ready to be customized and utilized in your daily operations. This tool is an incredible time saver and enhances your productivity by providing a consistent workflow process. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for leveraging ClickUp templates in your work routine.